to do when all I can is thinking about you? Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. Oh my god, you guys are so amazing. You guys are so beautiful. You guys are so fabulous. I love you all so much. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you. Oh my god. So guys, today's video, it's all about this beautiful wig, guys. Oh my god, did you want to know where this hair is coming from? Oh yes, from Celie Hair, guys. You know, this is not my first time working with Celie Hair. Oh yeah. Yes, so I love their hair so much. Okay, so as you can see the wave, guys, oh my god, you can actually call it the way you want. Okay, so this is how I like it. That's why you're seeing it this way, and it's still looking so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. So what are you waiting for? Rush down to my description box, click the link below, and it will take you to the store. All right. Oh yes. Yeah, so Celie Hair, you guys are simply the best. You know, I love your hair so much. All your wigs, they are wow 100% human hair. Okay guys, you guys always ask me, oh my god, is this a human hair or what? Yeah, it's human hair. All my hair review, they are all human hairs. Okay, so don't worry yourself, continue shopping with us and you will surely thank me later. Oh my god. So what I like most about their hair, you can actually use it anytime you want, anyhow you want. You know, I don't know how to put the word, and you don't need to suffer yourself, you know, trying to do it this way, trying to do it like that. So the hair is already okay. Just open the package, put the hair on, that's all. Okay, so if you want to, you know, you want to make it look so beautiful, look more beautiful, okay, so you can actually do it the way you want. All right, but if you don't have the time, don't worry yourself. Oh my goodness, you are good to go. Yes, I love your hair so much. So you already know I love you. You already know I love your hair. Okay, so my people must love your hair too. All right. Yeah guys, so if you love sexyosas, you have to support us. You have to support me by clicking the link below. Shop for yourself. Okay, you work so hard for your money, so you need to look beautiful. Okay, by clicking the link below, shopping with us. Oh my god. So don't worry yourself, you have percent off, guys. You know, their hair is very good. It's good for the poor and the rich. Yeah, so because the price is okay, so and the hair, oh my god, it's gorgeous, it's fabulous, it's lovely, it's beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, you see the way it's bouncing. Oh my god, I love this hair so very much, guys. So you need to just go straight to my description box, click the link below, and it will take you straight to their store. If you don't like this, I know you like it, I know you will like it, so click the link below. They have different kind of hair there. Oh my god, Celie Hair, you guys are simply the best. All right, so guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end, and see you on my next video. Bye. Hey my adorable people, hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, I'm here again with another beautiful hair from Celie Hair. All right, so you all know this is not the first time working with Celie Hair. So if you want to have these two package for yourself, all you need to do is to go straight to my description box. Okay, click the link below and it will take you straight to their store. All right, order any hair you want for yourself, or you can actually order this one for yourself. Okay, and doing this, you are going to have all these gifts to yourself. Okay, so here is the beautiful way, guys. Oh my goodness, oh my god, for those of you who don't really know how to style your hair, okay, or how to dress your hair, I don't know how to put the word, this beautiful hair is for you. As you can see, it's really cute and beautiful and adorable. Okay, so you don't need to do any job, any work, don't need to stress yourself, you know, styling your hair. You can actually open the package, then bring this hair out, put it on like that. Oh my god, you are good to go. Then add your little makeup. As you can see inside, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So all you need to do, if you are the type that love bleaching your hair before wearing, is okay, you can actually do that. Okay, but for me, I don't normally do that. All I have to do is just to take my normal foundation, you know, just to blend it. That's all. You are good to go. As you can see, it's already blended with my color. All right, so I don't know what to say, but I think what I'm saying is making sense or not. But all you need to do is just to continue watching the video, or just go straight to the description box, click the link below and order this hair for yourself. Okay, as you can see, I'm not using any glue, guys. Yeah, you can actually do it this way or put glue the way you want it. Just I always say this: if you don't like my style, you can always do what you want. Okay, so that is it. All right, so guys, I just want to appreciate you all for always subscribing to my channel, watching my video, sharing my video. You guys are really so amazing. Oh my god, my subscribers, I love you all so much. And if you are just seeing my video for the first time, this is a sexyosas TV. You know, all I do on my channel is to style my natural hair, then do review on any wig. Okay, and you are welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So that is it, guys. So as you can see the hair, oh my goodness, you see the way it's bouncing. Oh my god, Celie Hair, what are you guys doing? I don't understand. This hair is so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. You are going to be seeing the front now. Okay, you see, oh my god, I told you guys, I told you. If you don't know how to style your hair, go to my description box, go and buy this hair for yourself. Can't you see the way it's looking? Right now I'm just going to remove the lace. Okay, and you see, oh my god, Celie Hair, you guys are simply the best. Oh hey god. So all our hair is 100% human hair. Okay, we don't sell fake hair, guys. We don't sell synthetic. If you want synthetic, you know where to get it from. But if you want real human hair, real one that will last you for, in short, eternity, let me put it that way. Okay, go straight to my description box. And you know what, guys, we also have percent off. Okay, you can actually get 10% off. Okay, so don't worry yourself. You look at, oh my goodness, look at the hair, it's so beautiful. You can brush it anyhow you want, comb it anyhow you want. I don't know how to put the word. You can actually coil it if you want. Okay, but for me, I just want, you know, it's a razor body wave. I don't know. Okay. Oh my god. So that is just it, guys. All you need to do is just to go straight to my description box. Okay, shout out to all my beautiful ladies, my black ladies. You know, we are so beautiful. We are so beautiful. That is it. So guys, that will be all for this video. And you see the way I style is so simple and natural, guys. You know, I didn't do anything. The part is just like that. If you want to do a middle part, you are free to do that. So guys, thank you all and see you on my next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.